Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid freeways on Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps application on your smartphone or tablet. Next, type your destination into the search bar at the top of the screen. Once your destination is entered, simply tap the blue Directions button to see the available routes. This initial step sets you up to customize your journey and ensure a more relaxed drive, away from the hustle and bustle of major highways. After viewing your initial route, look for the 3 vertical dots, often located in the top right corner of the screen, and tap them. This action will open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, select Route Options. This is where you'll find the crucial settings to tailor your journey. It's a simple tap that opens up a world of customization, giving you control over the type of roads you'll be traveling on. Within the Route Options menu, you'll see several checkboxes. Find and check the box labeled Avoid Highways or Avoid Freeways. This tells Google Maps to prioritize routes that do not use major interstates. You can also choose to avoid tolls or ferries if those are concerns for your trip. Once you've made your selections, tap Done or Apply to update your route, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Now, take a moment to review the updated route displayed on your map. You should see that the suggested path now utilizes smaller, local roads, effectively avoiding the major highways. This new route will likely show a slightly longer travel time or distance, perhaps an extra 5 to 10 minutes, but it offers a more scenic and less stressful drive. When you're ready, simply tap the Start button to begin your journey with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.